Hey YouTube, Catfish Terry here. Y'all, I'm up here to pick my wife up from work, but I want to touch on something what's really been griping me for 2 or 3 years now. I got a 2012 Hyundai Sonata. I have rented several vehicles and drove several vehicles. And what gripes me is the locking system. And you know, you're not always in the greatest part of town, and you get caught in some situations and everything, and I worry for my family and my kids, my wife, or anybody like that. I worry for any of the strangers out there. The cars are designed, this car right here, right now, I'm sitting here parked it, waiting on my wife, and I cannot lock my doors. And y'all, let this truck get by. That's when you're most vulnerable, when you first get in your car. This Hyundai, you put it in gear, doors will lock. Nissan's doors will lock when it hits like 19 miles an hour going down the road or so. You'll hear your doors lock. Y'all, once you're moving, you're not as vulnerable as when you first get in your car. And I've been racking my head, I've been Googling, can't find no way to reset that system and stuff where I can hit my door locks and lock my door. Can't be done in this car, and it couldn't be done in the other ones I drove. So I got fooling around, y'all, and I finally figured out something you gotta do. As soon as you get in your car, you gotta hit your door lock on your key pod before you stick it in the ignition. Now my doors are locked. So you can go watch all the videos, y'all. That's when people's most vulnerable, when they're first getting in their cars and somebody rushing them, trying to carjack them and everything. This is a bad system. I understand the deal, not wanting to lock because don't want you to lock your keys in your car and everything. I'll take a chance locking my keys in my car over my family's safety and everything. But once you use your pod, you can put the keys in and your doors stay locked. So I don't know, it gripes me about the having to put your car in gear, or you got to get up to a certain speed. So, but everybody lock your door as soon as you get in your car. Go watch that active defense and see how many carjackings occurs when people's first getting in their cars and everything. You're not always in the best part of town. It can even happen in your driveway. But I wanted to share it with everybody, y'all. Take care. Love y'all.